How to track game history in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your progress. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Here on the top, you'll be able to see the scoring section and your profile section. So basically, you can see the progress there. So this is the place where you can see how much level you are in. So here in my case, I'm in level 2, and here these are the XP that are available. So this is a way you can know your progress. The next step is looking at your profile. Here on the left top, simply tap on your profile icon. Now here you'll be able to see how much medals you have and what are your progress. So here you can see stars, coins and even diamonds. So this is the place where you can calculate and know what's your history and what's your progress too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.